Hi everyone, welcome to Patty's Polish Corner. So if you're watching this video, you want to learn how to take care of your nails. I'm not a professional. I've learned everything I know watching years of videos, and I've taken these kind of steps to do it, and this is how I, make my nails look great, and I hope you can find some takeaways from this video. So let's see. I would say the first thing to start with is to keep your nails filed. It is a weekly job because I don't know, as the nails grow out, somehow the filing at the tip doesn't always look great if you're using your, if you are doing your natural nails. If you have acrylics, well, obviously that shape never changes. However, for some reason, I always have to do a little bit of filing once a week. Sometimes I can get away with 2 weeks, but I think I pretty much do it once a week. So what I use is a glass nail file. I love this. This one is really smooth. It's a fine grit and it is really great. You don't get any like fraying parts. You can go back and forth on your nails and they're not going to split or chip or anything like that. So I do love doing this, but even if you don't have a glass nail file, you should probably file your nails. At least, I would say at least every other week. If they look great after 1 week and you can go another week, then go for it. The next thing to do is, so that your nails look great and like a professional manicure, is to make sure they're all the same length, no matter what. You break a nail down, you file them all down, because having an even manicure looks, in my opinion, better. Short nails look great too. If you have all your nails that are short, your manicure is still going to look pretty awesome. Right now, I have filed my nails down. They were a bit longer. So sometimes it's like you file one, then you file it down too far, and then you got to file them all down, but whatever. But both of my nails, both of my hands, I do keep it the same length. I know some YouTubers don't, and that's fine. It's personal preference, but I, tend to wear the same manicure on both hands, so I tend to keep both of my hands at the same length. After you're done filing, cuticle removal is important. And cuticle is that dried up skin that deposits on your nail, like right in this area here. So I do use a instant cuticle remover. I've been using this one for years. So this is the one that I use, probably because I don't have another one, or, I just haven't come across another one. However, I also have started using the Orly Cutiques, and this is a cuticle softener and stain remover. And I do have a video on how this one works. I do love it as well. So if I have a lot of stains on my nails, I will use this one to remove the stains. And basically, I brush this on my nail and I brush it under the tip. When I use this, I just put it around the edge of my nail here. I use these awesome, huge cuticle sticks that I get from Sally's Beauty Supply, and I love this. I, wash them off after I'm done using them and spray them down with a little alcohol, 70%, because that's all you can pretty much find readily. So just keeping this clean, but I do love these big ones, the best out of everything that I've used. So basically, I'll just put the cuticle remover on, and then I will just go along the edge and remove anything dried on and stuck. And then I'll take the other end and I will just push it back. For the sake of this video, I've already actually done all of the prep work, so this is like the finished, mani. I also have just purchased a new glass cuticle stick, which I love the idea of this one. This one's a little bit rough, so I'm not 100% sold on this particular one. It works super great at getting in there and removing the dried on cuticle, so I love that. But I wish it was a fine grit like my glass nail file. So for that, I don't 100% love this one. I like it. I don't 100% love it. And it also has the other end where you can push back your cuticle. And then this particular one comes in a little case. So after that is all complete, I would wash my hands. And then I would use this sugar scrub, which I love. And this grapefruit scent, completely awesome. Now, this is from Zoya, and Zoya sells this. Actually, they have a Try Me kit. So you receive this and the matching scented lotion. I want to say it's something like $25. I'm pretty sure that's what the cost is. And if you hit one of their 50% off sales, well, that's better. In fact, I purchased these on sale. So I always get at least 50% off of all of my Zoya products because I wait for sales. Now, I know they might have some kind of sale coming up for Labor Day, and then there's definitely the Black Friday sale, which has always been 50% off of your entire purchase. So definitely think about these things. So after I do this part and I rinse off my hands, then I would use the sugar scrub and I would scrub my nails really good and my hands, and then I would follow up with the lotions. I really do like Zoya's lotions. I have a bunch of their hand lotions, and that's what I use in my hands. Also, a big thing I use on my hands is for taking off my nail polish, I use the Zoya Remove Plus. Obviously, I purchased this on sale as well. At the very least, it's 50% off on Black Friday. So usually I'll purchase one or two of the bigger bottles, and it usually gets me by until, it usually gets me by for the year. So I do love this, and I do use this in my videos when I'm cleaning up around my nails. Actually, I just started using it when I clean up around my nails because acetone was getting too drying on my fingernails. So I do like this. This is much better for my fingers and my fingernails. Next, you'll want to use some kind of cuticle oil. I use these multiple times a day. I just keep them so that they're handy. This is the Solid Gold, and you can purchase this one at Zoya. I like this one. It's kind of a gel consistency, so it's not like too runny or something like that. And then I love these little balms to throw in my purse. It's just like a little chapstick, but it is cuticle balm. And then this one I was interested in trying, so I purchased this surfer salve. This is from Maniology. I like this. This is pretty cool. So you can use it for your cuticles, but it also does some other things, like you can put it on your chapped lips or minor rashes and bug bites. I can attest that this actually does work on mosquito bites. It stops the itching. Oddly enough, I'm not sure I would put it on my lips though. I don't feel comfortable with this in my mouth. But anyways, it's great on other body parts. I did forget to mention that the Surfer Salve from Maniology, I have a 10% off code for Maniology. So if you purchase things from Maniology, or you want to try this, you can use my 10% off code. This is a new one. This is Nailtopia, and this is exclusively at Ulta, and this is their Raspberry Cuticle Hydration Cream, and I have just been starting to use this. So, but you know, basically any kind of cuticle oil is going to be, if it's taking care of your cuticles, if it's making them not dry, then it's fine. You can use it. So cuticle oil, cuticle lotion, cuticle balm, definitely use that. I also just ordered some Maxis, jojoba, their butter. So I'm kind of, yeah, okay. I'm a cuticle oil junkie. Yes. I completely love cuticle products. So yeah, that's kind of weird. Anyway, I think, oh, there's one more thing. If you have problems like with your nails peeling or not being strong, I highly recommend this Maxis Strengthener 2.0. I have been using it for a few weeks now and I love it. This is a remarkable product, and I have tried, I had my favorite, but it had, what did it have? It had formaldehyde resin in it, so I was looking for something healthier, and Maxis is 10 free, so I decided, bite the bullet, and I will try Maxis. I also have a discount code for Maxis products, so if you're interested, you can use my discount code for 15% off. But this is a really good product, and it is 10 free, sorry about that, vegan, cruelty free, so all of the good stuff. So I'm really enjoying this, and I highly recommend it if you need a nail strengthener. I also am going to be trying their strengthening base coat. That's coming to me shortly, so just stay tuned for those review videos. This review video is already out. So that's it. Those are my tips and tricks for you to keep your nails looking nice, staying strong, staying healthy. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you're not one of my subscribers, consider subscribing if you like this content and you want to see my other content. I also do occasional swatch videos just on purchases that I make. I've got some reviews that are coming up or that I've already done, so you might enjoy those. And oh, I do nail art. So we do stamping on Tuesdays, and I usually try to get in some other kind of nail art, whether it's just some pretty polishes that create an awesome looking mani, or whether it's actual nail art. That's the kind of thing I do on my channel. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. I guess that is it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.